So when Krishna lifting Govardhan, Sokha is thinking, oh, because Sokha has no idea Krishna is Supreme Godhead. Sokha telling, oh Krishna, our few days has been passed, better we can give this way to Sridham, then we can massage your hand. So Rupa Sripada story, Bhakti Sindhu. And Sokha told, oh, how Krishna can hold alone? They also hold Vira with the blessing stick, cow blessing stick. And gopis, they form a distance with the side long glass, they are holding Giriraj Govardhan. Oh Giriraj, if you drop down, will max you completely. So Giriraj is not coming down. Sometimes in gopis, the Krishna trembling. Madhugara, hey, what are you doing, man? Do you know? Mother is here. Mother is here. Don't look towards them. It's like coming proper steadiness. By this way they are holding. That's what Gurudev told. Who holds Giriraj Govardhan? Krishna or who? Gurudev no. Who holds Giriraj Govardhan? His potency, his power. When somebody became very weak, could not walk, why? His energy gone. Who is Krishna's eternal energy? Is Saraswati Srimati Radhika. And always Srimati Radhika leads Krishna's left side. Krishna wants to show the whole world, I am not holding Giriraj Govardhan. My eternal